dream starts with opportunity, but for millions of people around the world, barriers like poverty, equality, and discrimination stand in the way.
The 10 targets of quality education under SDG 4 form a comprehensive approach transforming quality education systems globally. It aims to address both accessibility, quality education, focusing on reducing inequalities, improving learning outcomes, and preparing individuals for active participation in sustainable development.
Education is the foundation for change. Matutulungan natin sila kahit nasa maliit na bagay.
Education is not just about reading books or passing exams. It's about giving people the power to shape their future. Without it, how can children dream of becoming doctors, teachers, architects?
When we invest in education, we invest in progress. Together, we can build schools, train teachers, and make sure every child has access to the education they deserve.
Quality education students needs to be safe, healthy, and gender-sensitive environments with adequate resources and facilities.
Quality education promotes the development of social, emotional skills, mental health, and psychosocial well-being.
Students develop critical thinking and deep understanding of the world.
Quality education ensures that every child receives a stable and fair education.
Every child has a right to grow their own potential.
Let's help each other to support and advocate equal access to quality education.
Let's support scholarships and financial support. Let's invest in teaching, training, and professional development.
Let's improve curriculum and learning resources.
We believe quality education is the foundation that we need.
Women can't lead. Babae lang yan. Men can't cry. Huwag kang babakla-bakla.
Sinasabi nila, hindi ka dapat dyan sa STEM. Dito ka sa UMS.
Sinasabi nila, magpakalalaki ka. Pambabae lang yan. Hindi yan para sa'yo.
Kaya ko maging doktor, engineer, architect, abogado, at maglaro.
Kaya ko magluto, sumayaw, maging guro, at pwede ako umiyak. Is my gender supposed to define me?
Imagine a world where women and men stand as equals.
Gender equality isn't just about fairness. It's about unlocking potential, but this can't happen if we still do stereotypes or violence.
You are free to be who you are and what you are. Men and women needs to be respected.
Together, we can break these barriers. Let's empower each other through education, leadership opportunities, and by standing against inequality in all its forms.
Kaya mo, kaya ko. Pwede ka, pwede rin ako. Walang mauuna, walang mauhuli. Pantay tayo.
We breathe the same air. We walk the same earth. We feel the same emotions. Yet, are we all equal?
Inequality affects everyone regardless of race, gender, or nationality.
Reducing inequalities, it's a vision for a world where no one is left behind, where opportunities are not determined by your race, gender, or financial status.
Inequality is more than just a number or policies. It's real lives affected by unfair systems.
Reducing inequalities means building systems that work for everyone, creating policies that ensure fairness, providing access to resources, and celebrating diversity as a strength.
When we support each other, we create change. It starts with small actions like amplifying the voices of marginalized community or pushing for fair wages and accessible healthcare.
But reducing inequality is not just about governments or organizations. It's about each of us. By listening, learning, and acting, we can create a more inclusive, equitable society.
We're stronger when we stand together. Let's fight for a world where every person has a chance to succeed, no matter your background or circumstances.
Equality is not just a goal, it's a promise. A promise to create a better world, not just for some, but for all.
Education, equality, fairness. These aren't just ideals. They are necessities. They are the keys to a brighter future for all of us.
We are the generation that can make these goals a reality. But it starts with you. Speak up, advocate, take action. Together, let's build a world where no one is left behind.
The time is now. Join us in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals for quality education, gender equality, and reduce inequalities. Together, we can create a world of opportunity.